To all, today we have discussed about the number system. We have already know that number system we have different numbers like whole number, natural number, integer number, and more on. In our computer terminology, the number system represent a information about a quantity form. दैट मीन्स नंबर सिस्टम जो है वो आपके क्वांटिटी फॉर्म को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. सो हाउ मेनी नंबर सिस्टम आर इन कंप्यूटर? देर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर सिस्टम. फर्स्ट इज बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम. बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम मीन्स नंबर सिस्टम हुज बेस इज 2 and binary number system accept only 2 digit 0 and 1. We know that 0 and 1 are is a machine language. So in our binary number system we accept only 2 numbers, 2 digit, that is 0 and 1. Now the second number system is decimal number system. We know that decimal number is generally used in our mathematical terms. In decimal number system our base is 10. And in decimal number system it accept only 10 numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is only 10 digit we accept in our decimal number system and base is 10. Now in our third number system is octal number system. In octal number system base is 8. Octal is base 8 and it accept only 8 digit, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now next topic is decimal to binary conversion. That means we can change our decimal number in form of binary number. We have one decimal number, that is 57 and base is 10. So we can change decimal number in form of binary number. Now we have already know how to calculate factor of any number. So here is number is 57. We can divide it only by 2 only. So first we have divide 57 by 2, then we get remainder value 1. So we can write in next column, that is first remainder is 1. So next is we get 28 as a question. So we can 28 divisible by 2 again. So we get 14 as a question and remainder is 0. Now 14 divided by 2, we get 7 as a question and remainder is 0. Now 7 we can divide 7 by 2, then we get 2 3s are 6, then we get 1 remainder, and finally 2 divisible by 3 divided by 2, then we get 2 1s are 2, we get 1 remainder. So in decimal to binary conversion we can read remainder value from down to up position. That means first value is 1, second value is 1 again and 0 and 0 and 1. That means 1 1 1 0 0 1 is our binary value of given decimal 57. Now see how to change binary to decimal. That means our next concept is binary to decimal conversion. We have one binary numbers 111001, that is the base is 2 because it's a form of binary and we can change it form of decimal. So our next conversion base is 10 because it's a decimal form. Now just calculate, first of all calculate how many digit in binary. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have number of digit in binary is 6. So we have one formula. See, the first binary digit is 1. So we can write 1 into 2 to power n minus 1. Next digit is 1 plus 1 into 2 to power n minus 2 plus Third binary digit is 1. 1 into 2 to power n minus 3 plus next digit is 0. 0 into 2 to power n minus 4 plus again 0. 0 into n minus 5. 2 to power n minus 5 plus last binary digit is 1. 1 into 2 to power n minus 6. Now move on next step. 1 into 2 to power n minus 5, we know that our number of binary digit is 6. So put the value of n in given formula. So 1 into 2 to power n minus 1, on behalf of n we can put here 6. 6 minus 1 plus 1 into 2 to power 6 minus 2 plus 1 into 2 to power 6 minus 3 plus 0 into 2 to power 6 minus 4. 0 into 2 to power 6 minus 5 plus 1 into 2 to power 6 minus 6. Now next step, 2 to power 6 minus 1, that means 6 minus 1 is 5. So next step, 1 into 2 to power 5. Second step, 1 into 2 to power 6 minus 2, we get 2 to power 4. Third, 6 minus 3, we get 2 to power 3. Next, 0 into 2 to power 6 minus 4, that means 0 into 2 to power, we get 2. 2 to power 2. Next, 0 into 2 to power 1, here 2 to power 6 minus 5, so we get 6 minus 5 is 1, 2 to power 1. And then last, 1 into 2 to power 0, because here 2 to power 6 minus 6, 6 minus 6 is 0. So 2 to power 5, 2 to power 5 means 2 to power 5 means 2 multiplied to 5 times. That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So we get 2 to power 5 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So we get 1 into 32. Next, 2 to power 4, 2 to power make 16, 1 into 16. 2 to power 3, 2 to power 3, 3 means 8, because 2 into 2 into 2. And 0 to power into 2 to power 2, 2 to power 2 means 4. And next 0 into 2 to power 1, that means 0 into 2. And 1 into 2 to power 0, we know that any number having power is 0, we get resultant value is 1. So here is 2 to power 0, that means any number whose power is 0, we read as a 1. So 1 into 1. So finally 1 into 32 is 32, 1 into 16 is 16, 1 into 8 is 8, and 0 0 we get 0, and finally 1 into 1 is 1. So after summation of all these 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, we get 57. 57 base is 10, because it's a binary to decimal conversion. So binary number is given, and we get 57 of given decimal number of given binary number. So that is the trick or method that we have to calculate how to change binary to decimal, and previous one we have seen that decimal to binary. So thank you all. We will discuss next topic on next time in video. Okay, thank you.